What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video. I do apologize for not making videos as of late. Yes, I've been ripping and running around the city. This truck is loud, man. I haven't done any demos with it as far as on YouTube or anything like that. This truck is extremely popular around the city. It's loud as hell. These Resilient Sounds Platinums are the business, man. So I'm apologizing in advance for this video. It's going to be really small or quick or whatever. Hopefully y'all can see that. I'm ducked off behind a Freddy's and Stereo West over here in Omaha. Ducked off by their trash can, man. There's still some cars over there, so I don't know if these people are around or whatever's going on, man, but like I said, I'm gonna try to make this video extremely short, get the demo, and hopefully nobody comes running out telling me to get the hell out this parking lot. So I will do my best to make another video on the daylight. I know that was one thing that was complained about last year, and the reason why I'm trying to make this video real quick right here, somebody is trying to buy these subs off of the truck here. So I say, hey, you come with the money, man, that's just gonna make me get motivated to hurry up and get the 18s or 15s from Resilient Sounds, man. These Resilient Sound Platinum subs, highly underrated, man. So y'all may want to take a look at them. Okay, there's a truck coming, so let me hurry up and get this out. I was trying to make sure that ain't the dump truck coming over here, so he's probably looking for somewhere to lay down for the night. This isn't necessarily the best secluded parking lot, but it's the best I can find at night. There's a bunch of trucks coming in, and I'm also by Nebraska Furniture Mart for any of y'all that are in the city. So maybe they delivering furniture to their warehouse, man. But I'm gonna hit this play button. Volume's on 27. Clipping point is 28. I go 27 at the highest. I'll turn the bass knob up. We got the Resilient Sounds bass knob, so I've been riding around with it on, I guess, 5 or 4.5, whatever hell. I'm gonna turn up probably 9. Let's go. Oh, and by the way, I blew my highs, so y'all ain't gonna hear no vocals in this, so hopefully I don't get the clipping crap. But hopefully I can get enough to where I can find it flexing and whatnot, so let's see what happens. Here we go. Alright, that's the end of that song. I have no idea what the next song is, man, but it sounds like ASAP Rocky. I might get a short clip of this and then I'm gonna get the hell out of here, man. I gotta try to play, like I said, I'll try to get a video tomorrow and get something that's really low, so y'all can see how the truck is flexing. Obviously in the daytime it'll be easier to see. so that was a short little clip of the system. Like I said, man, I gotta do a video in the morning so y'all can see it better, see the flex and everything like that. She gets down. Like I said, these resilient sounds are highly underrated, but I'm gonna go ahead and get the hell out of here just in case anybody's gonna show up. By the time they get to looking, I'll be long gone, man. So, like I said, do a video in the morning when the sunlight is out and all of that stuff so y'all can see the flex. And I'll also grab my camera so I can get some better flex and all that stuff and play the right song. So that E40, what the hell's the name of that song? That $19 for a lap dance. Yeah, see, I got trucks falling apart, man. I popped the stuff in the back. Hopefully y'all see when the subs is flexing. Everything in here is falling apart, man. So might as well make it count. Get some Team 18s or Team 15s, man. It's your boy Young Dub. Y'all know anything. Any questions, comments, concerns, hit me up, man. I'm out of here.